Hi, I'm Harris Lee, and welcome to Subpar Cooking. Today's video, scrambled eggs. Let's see the ingredients you'll need for today. Salt and pepper, milk, eggs, butter, and finally cheese. A bowl, spatula, whisk, and a pan. Let's get to it. First, you get on the apron. Then, you wash your hands. Clean hands make for good food. Now, let's crack some eggs. Now we're gonna add some extra ingredients to add some flavor. A bit of milk, not too much, not too little. A bit of freshly cracked pepper. And finally, a dash of salt. Whisk that up. Oh. Now we're gonna move this aside and get to the pan. Just gonna want 1 tablespoon of butter. Now we actually have to warm the pan, so. Alright, a tip to see if your pan is ready is come on over to your stove, get your fingertips wet, and if you splash the water and it sizzles just like that, it means it's ready.
It's probably too hot actually, so that's not good.
That is. That's way too hot. Oh well. Now, pour in your egg mixture. Go fast. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is just take the sides of the egg, pull them towards the middle, and then tilt the pan so the rest of the liquid egg enters that little crevice now. That's where you gotta go, low and slow. This is the part where you're gonna wanna add your cheese and any more salt that you might want. And it's kinda slippery, but that's fine. Just get as much cheese as you want, sprinkle that all over. Okay. Now, continue what you're doing, stirring the egg around a bit until the entire egg has solidified and there's no more watery parts. Now, if you want, you can add a bit more salt. Where did the salt? Turn off your heat. The eggs are gonna continue to cook. Cook out that little more. Now you're gonna wanna turn off your heat. The heat from the pan will continue to cook the eggs and any moisture that's left and leave you with a delicious breakfast or lunch or dinner. Doesn't matter. I was scared. I thought that was gonna burn. The butter burnt real fast. That's what scared me. We don't have to include the burnt butter. And there you have it. A delicious scrambled egg dish. Thanks for watching.
That's life.
Welcome to Subpar Cooking. Oh yeah, you need the butter, Melton. This is way too much butter.
Alright,
That's why it's Subpar Cooking though. Should I like cut it in half or?
I mean, you can.
I need this half. Oh no. Oh, I messed up. That's fine. Just put that back. Oh.